Today, Paul's cooking.
Bang bang shrimp.
Nice.
Oh.
Hey guys, it's Ken and Paul from KBDProductionsTV. Welcome back to another cooking review. We haven't done one in a very long time.
It's been a while.
And I keep getting comments saying, Ken, when is cooking review coming back? And today's the day.
When Paul feels like it.
And when Paul feels like it, what it comes down to. So what are we going to be doing today?
Today
buddy?
we're doing bang bang shrimp.
Is it something that's like pretty simple, or is it?
It's extremely simple.
Extremely simple?
Yeah, it's pretty simple to do.
And it's
quick.
usually-
It's fast.
And it's usually an hors d'oeuvre type thing.
Yes.
So if you're having a bunch of friends over or whatever, you can either do individual bowls or you can have like a spread of it.
Yep.
So people can just like finger
Or
food.
just have it if you have a whole ton of appetizers, just
Right.
one thing to throw into that.
And there's people pick and choose what they want.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you getting ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Okay.
All right, Paul. So what is first?
I don't know.
You
okay,
don't
no,
know.
well, here, we got the oil hot already. It's at 350 degrees.
Okay.
I've got some beautiful shrimp, which are already peeled and deveined.
Very nice.
And so what I want to do first, I've got cornstarch ready to go. I'm going to put a bit of salt in there and some pepper.
Does it matter how much cornstarch?
Well, just enough to coat. You want to coat this?
Okay. There's no like set recipe. I guess depends.
No,
on...
because you just want to coat
Yeah.
what you've got there. So you can either just use your fingers or I got tongs there or whatever, but you just want it to nicely coat. Just like that. I mean, this is such an easy dish that it's like...
And the shrimp didn't need to be dried or anything, right?
No, there was a bit wet because you want...
yeah, the
cornstarch is gonna soak up all the moisture and you're gonna end up like this.
Right.
And I always like to season stuff with the flour. It's gonna have a sauce on top and mixed, but it just gives you that bit of a bite.
But that's not flour though.
No, this is. Did I say flour?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
If I was doing flour,
you just
you could use
confused me.
flour, but then you could do I'd dip it in flour, then in an egg wash, and then either you can use a breading, or if you're doing like a Cajun, then cornmeal.
Some of the recipes
then-
I did look up, it did say cornstarch. So
Yeah, summer cornstarch. Cornstarch, it's just it's just really fast. Especially for a restaurant when you're dealing with time, then you're not having to dip in egg and do this and this. So I'm just, because it's pretty much you have cornstarch in a bowl ready. You'd have your mix already ready to go, and you just drop your shrimp in there, like that, and then into the oil, and it's that fast. And that's going to cook really fast because the shrimp is
shrimp takes
it's a really
no time
fine,
at all,
yeah,
right?
It's pretty quick.
There's Paul washing his hands, people.
What? Don't show that. Don't show them.
Look at his shirt. Look at the shirt he wears today. And what's the front say?
I have mental problems. Ace?
We're not going to be cooking anymore over here, are we? Actually, we
will.
are.
Well, once yeah.
It's all right.
So you know what? While that's cooking, because it'll be pretty quick.
Hey, buddy.
Let me just see where we're at there. Yeah, it's going to be very quick. We're going to make the sauce so that when that comes out. So all I've got here is
Let me
mayonnaise.
go on this side.
Oh. I've got
Okay.
mayonnaise in a bowl already. This is sweet chili sauce. So it's probably like 2 to 1. And it doesn't really matter if you want more flavor in it. But here's what my secret. I want to spice it up a bit.
Let me see. Let me see the label.
This one's a scorpion pepper.
Okay.
Tabasco. Just to give it a bit of heat.
So
Ken's like, not too
because
much.
I'm holding this camera on a tripod, Ace is losing his mind.
Yeah, I don't like it. I don't know why.
He don't like it.
He don't like it. Oh, I can smell the scorpion.
Uh-oh. As long as you don't put in 3 Carolina Reapers like you did the Vembla, we're good.
Some like it hot.
Some like it. Some like to eat food that's not going to burn their mouth off.
Look at those.
Oh, look
They
at
got
them.
nice
They look
look.
beautiful.
They're ready. So what I'm going to do is I've got a bowl ready.
Okay.
Ace, whoa! I just gave you steak. You should be content.
You should be. That thing
Look
of
how nice
beauty.
that looks.
Ah, beautiful.
And I'm going to put my sauce. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to toss it in the sauce. Ken's like, I want some. Sorry, Ace. And then what we're going to do is I'm just going to take a bit of lettuce
Whoa.
on the bottom. You can actually make little cups like with Boston Bib, all kinds of stuff, like different ideas.
Right. It's all about the presentation.
Yeah, so what I'm going to add to this I've got some red Thai chilies.
Oh boy. Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah.
It's got color now.
Got beautiful color in that. And then some sliced green onion.
Looks awesome, dude.
And then there you go.
That's how fast it was, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, that was 2-3 minutes.
Maybe.
And I mean,
maybe
nothing
less.
cutting this up. I mean, I always like to get prepared, but that's how quick it is. So now we can eat some.
Let's go try it. All right, Paul. Well plated.
Can I have a sip of my beer?
Oh, sure. Cheers first.
Cheers. I'm thirsty.
Welcome back to Cook and Review.
You can have your too young, Ace. You're only 5 years old. No
All
beer
right.
for you.
So we don't have to worry about
A dog.
or tails or anything because you've ripped them all
been
off.
clean. So
Look at that thing of beauty.
Cheers.
Ding. Oh, wait.
Oh.
You dropped some of your peppers.
Oh,
Hey, wait.
let's make them stick.
There we go.
Yeah. Oh.
There we go. I think we got even peppers.
Oh, geez.
So that's going to be hot. Crunchy. Wow. You got to add that to the menu at the Tickle Toad.
No, good, eh?
That's definitely spicy on the tongue. Whoa. It's hot.
It's a scorpion pepper
Oh, right. In the sauce that you
in the
made.
sauce. Oh yeah, instantly.
So it's not the red peppers that you put on here or the chili peppers.
Oh, that's hot.
Ooh.
Am I turning red?
I'm starting to sweat already.
I'll probably be about as red as your sweater in about 30 seconds. Whoa.
Compare? Yeah.
That is good.
I think we should have that one more.
Get a really good tang.
Definitely lots of
Oh,
tang.
it's delicious. And even with the sauce sitting on that, there still retains that crispy coating on it.
Yeah, that's one.
too spicy for you, my
The
boo.
first time I had Bang Bang shrimp, they were nice and crunchy, just like this. The shrimp are nice and tender. Lots of flavor. I could eat a huge
You
bowl.
see
of
why
that.
it's so popular.
Yeah. Yeah,
then-
very, very nice.
And if you're not a fan of the spice, you can omit the Thai chilies and then not add hot sauce to it.
Because, go ahead.
No, I like me. I like to me. I think that's like it's got a really good heat. It's not crazy. It is hot, but
It is very hot.
it's got a good.
Because we've done a few pepper challenges in the past, and they've all been very negative. Whenever I eat something really spicy like that, it like instantly makes my stomach go, wait a minute, I don't like that type of heat. My mouth, taste buds love it, but my stomach, because we've that one time I did a scorpion and a reaper at the same time, and it floored me. Like it floored
That
you
was
too.
that was yeah, but
So-
that was pure. That was
Right, but my brain says when it hits my stomach, it's like, oh, you're not doing that again, are you? So I get like a little bit of a scare from a little scare signal from my stomach saying, dude, don't do that again. Oh, we're doing another one.
yeah.
Okay.
We're saving some because we had a little surprise.
Yeah,
with
we have
that.
in the next video, so stay tuned.
That's good. I would just pound those away.
Yeah.
Because I'm hungry too.
They'd be gone already if I was in a bar situation and I ordered that up.
Delicious.
One of my favorite things at his restaurant is the chicken curry rolls.
With the roasted red pepper sauce.
Yeah. And I order that pretty much every single time I go there before, like I order that and a beer, and then everybody sits down, relax, and then we start to order food. But I always order that first. If I had to choose, it would be really hard. Because those things I really love at the Tickle Toad, these are if they were just a little bit less spicy. Because
No, I wouldn't make them that hot for the restaurant
no.
because then you'd have
You'd be
problems. Yeah, I would.
Your glasses are fogging up.
I'm fogging up. I'm sweating.
You know it's good when your glasses fog up.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, guys, we'd like to thank you very much for all your amazing comments over the last 1.5 to 2 years, asking us to bring back Cook and Review. We are going to try our best to bring you at least one a week. We're going to try and shoot 2 in a day just to help save time, because it's a lot of work to set up every single time just to shoot one video. So Paul came up with this idea of shooting this, teaching you guys how to do an easy recipe, so when you have like a dinner party or whatever, or you just want to have some really cool food while watching the game, that would be awesome to sit there and watch. Oh, pig out on that, nice.
Still burning.
And then again, you could do all different size shrimp too, right? Those are huge. Maybe you could even go a little bit smaller. Anyway, so we'd like to thank you guys for hanging out with us, and we wish you all the best, and we hope to see you in the next video, which is kind of a continuation of this. So stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next week. Thanks for the dinner, pal.
You're welcome.
See you guys.
Ding, 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 ding. Look at my baby.